Do you like exploring all of the creative art making activities at the i.d.e.a. Museum? We would like to introduce you to one of our newest museum offerings, the i.d.e.a. Museum Activity Kit. This kit combines all of the colorful art materials and supplies that you would experience in one of our classes or workshops, all in one bag. It's like taking an i.d.e.a. Museum art program home with you to enjoy with your family. With this kit, you can use your imagination to design and experience art. Inside the kit are activity suggestions and images to inspire your own unique art-making experience. A variety of art materials are provided to allow you to design your own world and unlock your imagination in any way you would like. You will see that some of these materials are familiar, but we have also included in this kit exclusive art materials and supplies that you won't see offered in other museum activities currently. This kit has an abundance of art making possibilities and can provide your family with hours of creativity and fun. Visit our website at i.d.e.a.museum.org to purchase your i.d.e.a. Museum Activity Kit today.